So today we are making strawberry milkshake.
With the mix of crack cocaine. Don't forget your crack cocaine.
All you need is milk, cold one, jam,
Cold one.
strawberries, and some vanilla ice cream. I like vanilla ice cream. You can put any ice cream you like, and your blender.
You know you can stream it.
Yes. You have to cut your strawberries. We have to put our strawberries in the jug. स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम है, 1 चम्मच आपने इसमें डाल देनी है for sweetness. And some ice cream. I'm putting vanilla ice cream. Some cold organic milk I use, but you can use any milk that you have. Yeah. And a little bit of cold water.
Where do we have put that charger?
Huh?
It's like a little, in the little velvet pouch. The charger?
Yeah.
That's more than enough, I think.
Yeah.
Pink and purple straws too.
You like whipped cream on your...
Yeah. This is cheese, this is cheese, that's cheese, that's cheese.
Oh my God. Ready. This is for my husband and this is for me. Okay. Ah, it's good. It's really, really good. I think we need some honey in it.
हनी किसमें डाली है इसमें?
दोनों में थोड़ा सा.
दोनों में क्यों डाली?
थोड़ा
हनी
सा.
नहीं चाहिए अपने उसमें.
थोड़ा सा, because it's not sweet at all.
I don't care, then you put sugar. Yeah, this is really good.